Hello dear friends, welcome to my channel. Today discussions GATE 2014. Friends, this problem is very important. The problem is vector field. This problem is vector field and it is including also vector algebra, friends. Vector algebra is very important. So let's read these questions. Let F be a vector field defined on R square minus 0, 0 by fx, y is equal to, means r 0, 0 means, friends, this is not included. This is not included, friends, in the region where fxy is equal to y into divided by x square plus y square I and minus x into x divided by x square plus y square j. And gamma, alpha, 0, 1 and tends to r square be defined as gamma t 8 cos 2 pi t and 17 sin 2 pi t and alpha t is equal to 26 2 pi t minus 10 sin 2 pi t. So friends, it is given the path is also given. This is the path. This is my path. Two path is given, friends. Must remember this is also a path. So this path is given. So in you have to, when you will solve any questions, you have to read it carefully. Reading is very important for a learner. I am also learner. I never say that I am expert, friends. I am learner, but I am trying to solve every problems alone. How? This is the main process. What is the main process? Main process is reading. Every problem you have to read. This problem, like this problem, I have to read because this problem is very important for GATE 2014, and you know that we have to solve the yearly questions papers. So friends, whatever we get according to when we read the questions, I get. So let's start answer, friends. Answer I have to give. So at first you read this. I have read these questions. I get such conditions. Gamma t, one path is my gamma t. Gamma t is given 8 cos 2 pi t, 8 cos 2 pi t, comma 17 sin 2 pi t. This is my total path. I get two path, and another formula is alpha t. I get alpha t. So friends, this value is this is also you see that 26 cos 2 pi t. I write down 26 cos 2 pi t, comma minus 10 sin 2 pi t. Okay friends, this is very simple, friends. And now let's start draw a graph. Okay, let's start draw a graph. At first I want to put the value t is equal to 0, 1 by. Okay, let's draw a graph. Okay, this is the very important to draw a graph. I hope this is very whatever I need. I have to prove. I have to prove. I need also another matrix table that insert. Yeah, this is my total conditions. This is t, and this value should be alpha t. This value should be alpha t, and this value should be gamma t, and t values, my t values, one should be 0 and another is 1 by 4. I take 1 by 4. Another should be 1 by 2 because t values is another should be 3/4, and last value I take 1. So friends, whatever we see that 0 value, when we put the 0 in gamma t, in case of alpha t, when I put this value 0 alpha t, whatever I get 26 comma 0, because friends cos 0 means friends 1 and sin 0 means 0. So minus 10 sin 0 is equal to 0 and cos 26 0 is equal to 0. Another representations, friend, this is a very simple. These representations, that 26 comma 0, and when I put 1/4, so it would be cos pi by 2. So whatever I get, friends, I get 0 comma minus 10. Another value, friends, we go another value. So 0 comma minus 10 we get, and after that I putting the value half. So friends, whatever we can get half, if I putting the value t is equal to half, then cos, it is cos pi. Cos pi means, friends, cos pi is equal to minus 26. Cos pi is equal to minus 26, and sin pi is equal to 0. So I putting the value, and when I put 3/4, then whatever I can get, I get 0 comma 10. Okay friends, and next, friends, whatever I get 26 comma 0. So friends, this is my total chart of the alpha t, and next I will putting the values. I want to get the value when gamma t is equal to 0. So it is, this value should be 0, value should be 8 comma 0, because cos 0 is equal to 1. Always remember cos 0 is equal to 1, so 8 comma 0. And another value, friends, whatever I get, you get another value is 0 comma, when I put 1 comma 14, then 0 comma 17, and another value 0 comma, I will get another value 8 comma 0, and I will get another value 0 comma minus 17. Friends, you get 0 comma minus 17, and another values should be 0 comma minus 17, another value should be 8 comma 0. This is the total value whatever I get, friends, and I will draw I will find out the total my alpha t and gamma t, and I will find out the path. Friends, path is very important. At first I will show the path for alpha t and gamma t. So friends, whatever you see, if I will draw y, it is y and it is x. If you see, then it is the path is ellipsoid. This is the vertical ellipse, and another should be vertical ellipse 0 comma minus 17, and moving is this way. So friends, this moving is the positive, means this moving is the positive directions. The gamma t is positive way, friends. And next, gamma is positive way, and next is this way, next should be this way, and direction should be this way, directions this way. So it is negative, means this is the south means south means anti clockwise. So friend, clockwise means it is always remember, friends, when it is clockwise, then it is negative. So friends, this is the one theorem I will discuss. I will there is one theorem. This theorem it can be proved by the Green's theorem, that statement, the Green's theorem, according to the Green's theorem, according to Green's theorem. So friends, whatever we get the Green's theorem, we say that this is the, if the any path should be gamma should be path, and our equation should be x dy and minus y dx and x square plus y square. It should be x square and y square dx. So friends, you see that it is positively described. It can be positively described. It should be positively described, friends. It should be positively described. So look this, that my gamma t, you will look that gamma t is the positively described. This is gamma t, whatever you see, gamma t is positively described. This is positively described, positively, and this is negatively. But suppose positively described, then this value should be 2 pi. This is the theory. I will prove in my next video. Very easy and very simple, but I will prove it in my next video, that how it is 2 pi according to the Green's theorem, friends. Very simple. I will prove also equals to, you can write that it is a double it should be, I use the it should be double integrations. I use whatever I use. I use double integrations. I will use double integrations, and it should be capital E, and it can be written del x. Very simple proof. I will prove now because this is very simple. Del x, and it can be written x by, and gamma minus c, I can write it gamma means gamma minus c. However it can be it is a very simple. This value is 2 pi. I will prove now. I will show, but times I have to maintain. Okay. I will show that plus y square gamma ellipsoid and plus del y, and it can be written y divided by y square plus x square according to the Green's theorem. Okay, it can be I can show that our equation is y into dx. So I write this way. I can write y into dx minus x into dy, so it should be in here minus, and it can be written. So friends, very simple, no problem. This is not any issue, and it can be written into dx into into dy. So friends, this way I will write, and I will write this is the another way that it can be. I will gamma minus C. Okay friends, C is also a circle, and C is circle. I will cut a C and x dy. I will cut a circle from the ellipse, and I will get this way, and after that x square plus y square, then I get this way, and after that I get minus, and whatever I get this value is 0. This value I get 0. So whatever I get another way, that gamma into y dx minus y ds minus x dy is equal to x square plus y square is equal to C. This value I take a circle. I can take a circle C, and I can write x dy plus y dx. I can write y dx minus x dy. Whatever I get friends, I change my region. A gamma is my elliptical region, and elliptical region should be changed into the circular region, and circular in case of circular region I get the same value. So friends, whatever I get this value is 0 to. This is a very simple. If you can realize, then it is not a problem. No problem. You will not feel any problem. Into d theta friends. So friends, my circle is unit circle, and whatever I get it is a 0 and 2 pi. I cut the values. I will show that this value is circle equal to circle value, and this value is minus 2 pi friends. This value should be minus 2 pi. So friends, according to the question, and if it is the positively described, it is minus, and when it is positively described, this is minus, and when it is negatively described, this is the theory. Negatively described, then it is plus 2 pi. So friends, whatever we get that we get 3 into f dr. So friends, we get whatever we get. This value is alpha. This value should be alpha, and minus 4 integration my alpha my value is gamma fdr. So friends, whatever we see that gamma is the positively described friends. Gamma is the positively described. So friends, gamma is the positively described, so this value should be, and alpha is negatively described. Negatively described means plus, so 3 into 2 pi plus 4 into 2 pi. So friends, according to the theory y dx minus x dy divided by x square plus y square. If it is I see according to the Green's theorem, it is this value is minus 2 pi, another value is plus 2 pi if it is negatively described. Negatively described means it is moving clockwise moving. Negatively described means it is clockwise moving. I am showing this. Then 14 pi. So friends, this is my answer. Friends, thank you for watching. I hope that everything is clear. My my small effort can help any, if my small effort can help anyone, I will feel happy. So thank you.